Hi there, Peter Vox, Director and Principal Teacher at Vox Singing Academy here. Just wanted to give you an update on proceedings at Vox Singing Academy as of this date, the 12th of June 2020, regarding the COVID-19 situation. So just wanted to let you all know that we are operating and giving private one-on-one singing lessons at all of our 6 Melbourne studios. We are also doing online singing lessons locally and also around the world as well too. And if you're not wanting to have face-to-face singing lessons, you can also check out the ultimate online singing course that will stream high quality singing tuition to your device anywhere, anytime, with full courses starting at $14.95 and short courses starting at $7.95. Our private singing lessons at Vox Singing Academy start at $35. So if we can help you with your journey to do with singing, please click the links below and let us help you improve your voice.